Life doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs attention and care. Hi everyone, welcome to Home is Where Your Heart is All About. I'm Vidu. Join me in this motivational morning vlog as I clean, cook, and give my living area a quick makeover. Perfect for anyone looking for inspiration for a morning routine, home refresh, or practical tips for a living room makeover. Look at these leaves covered in dust from the construction outside. It reminds me that life can get messy too. But just like I'm wiping this dust away, we can clear the distractions and worries from our day. One small step, one action at a time, makes things brighter. Next, lunchbox prep. It may seem small, but these little acts matter. Preparing meals with care is a reminder that can put love and intention into even the simplest task. Every step, be it washing, chopping, arranging, reflects patience, mindfulness, and the care we give to the people around us. That consistency, that thoughtfulness builds a positive day for everyone. Here I'm steaming some sweet potatoes and beetroot for today's lunch. Time to refresh the living room. You have got some sofa covers, divan covers, curtains. Planning to mix match curtain color this time with a grey and blue combination. For the base, we'll be using the white net curtains and a sofa throw. Here I have taken these net curtains, but in the end I've replaced them with a other set of grey curtain similar to the blue one. Sometimes small changes can make a big difference. I'm taking down the old curtains and sofa covers today, ready for a little refresh. Here I'm fixing the holders for the net curtain with staple gun. My husband's helping with the heavy lifting. Yes, teamwork makes it all easier. Later, I took the net ones and replaced it with the same grey color curtain. We are also moving this cabinet a little closer to the sofa. It's funny how such small shifts change the whole vibe of a room. Sure, there are imperfections, but sometimes life and homes don't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Back in the kitchen, time to grate the beetroot and finish prepping lunch. Today's menu: sweet potato podymus, beetroot raita, rice, and kar karambu. What we put on our plate matters, but so does the energy we put into preparing it. Love, patience, attention. These are the ingredients that make even simple meals extraordinary. And that's it. A little refreshed, a little more organized, and ready for the day. Life is full of small tasks, small challenges, small wins. It's these tiny efforts that shape our day and our mindset. Keep going, keep trying, and find joy in the little things. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon in another vlog.